Nick, welcome.
Thank you.
After 12 months out of football, finally, we are back. Senna, the whole feeling of Ayama.
It was a great feeling yesterday. Yeah, it was a very great feeling.
12 months out. Emotions, at the same.
I was very happy. I was very, very happy to come back on the field again. Yeah.
Now, yeah, sure, they said for 12 months, there, quite a very long period. Were there moments you fell out of love with football? Said, I didn't cry, then I made if football free moon, then and now, at that point, and then and now, it's a football do free one, then and now, personally.
Yeah, sometimes you feel like I quite know what for so what in a few 1 year on Bobo. I quite know and sometimes what you crowd to word dream would I say, who training and who training queen. Yeah, sometimes. Over 10 and be your friends, the cars and be a chair or a baby above Mensah. Yeah. Or it sounds so warm, so a saying crying. Say, don't give up. Time never soon. You have to train, you have to train. Telling now, can you now, Buma, name me? Or stay focused or training. Yeah.
Were there moments now we are alone now thinking about the whole thing in your own closet? You felt very heartbroken as a difficult to pick yourself up. That's incidents in it that been
Yeah. Some me tell me like sometimes me tell me how our issue in city na. I say idea winning more na I say sometimes it was very hard. Yeah.
During the pre-season, people so.
Yeah.
There was a moment and visibly you greet me when you say you look very dejected. Now all the time you say Coach Prosper or you're always close to you, there be answer. Your bus sessions twice in the day, almost all the time now on Kwanjina be Kasa. Those times not the end of Koso, dear na coachy catch you. How was it like?
Yeah, those times now young as me say me were down cause not a lot was going through my mind. Yeah. Cause now I was thinking say maybe no I can play at that moment, but not still not I have to wait for say a year and a bit. To me who said training now me no. To nothing be off frame and make us in 4 year focus na me training now. Time not very me focus na me training. Me focus na me training. You know what I can do in Tina or mommy back to me focus time be anon make us. He really helped me a lot. Yeah.
Some occasions and at a point you say coaching department decided say more break Accra Kofi I call your new family. Then also your moments now you're very down. Now you felt say you have to be around your family. Now the two when you met is saying
me catch your mom popo muti. Me catch your one or moka say meet my kushia my parents na me say okay mat.
Okay.
No man
So after say we be feel family discussion let us say.
Oh my mother na met na say kasaya so I said time now so we me economy inquiry me ho na de life am choose say me yen no me dwuma na fa to me also ntino maybe I have to come and prove say yes I can do it. Maybe me I'm so okay mat. Yeah.
Fast forward finally time number you said the usual routine after breakfast we come video session analysis they also so be on the day and sign number for team meeting na announce it and coaches in everybody on board say Mensah all starting instantly at the end about you how was the mood like at the moment?
And Romobo me tell me and I just laugh. I say wow Mensah is back again. Yeah, I was very happy.
And the reception now, boys in the mouth, you say you move dinner, colleagues, how was the response?
Isaac, over started, you are back, puppy, you are back. Yeah.
See, that was the noise and our boys in the meeting.
Yeah, nah, it's just like I say, winning bonus, winning bonus near the other.
I don't know how we have opportunity from Ofo Bas Namba Stadium and draw warm up. We pay free time on our back pitch and so. Was it like a dream for you? You can see the emotions surrounding the whole thing. Go back to the pitch after a long time. That was a static game. In a game, now it means a lot. No, send a net here.
And now I am myself and as a sound so started. Maybe sound so started back.
Or started
Kotoko career. Yes. So
until now you're nervous and I knew who can crowd.
Yeah, who can crowd because Matana Fiat Chasano. Or be like a bit more who say what's an Fiat. Or when him say how we see one another no. Or more expect to say you will play that way. See, so many intensity a beko game because it was a cup match. See now I say who can crowd me more. I say like me born is simple. Yeah.
Into first match for Kotoko, sa nervousness now we feel and one else and yeah, the friendly game our boy in Sudan and after the first competitive game now Okan was it?
First competitive game I'm boy. Kotoko. I think last season in Swatchamaya boy.
It is how much na who
yes, how much the first time I'm in tested Premier League maybe. No, no, so not because I just want to make a semi simple, and there be a boss.
General, how would you rate yourself? Who feel say? Oh, show colleagues the intensity and how kind the speed of the game. No, who be rating who saying nah.
Oh, and no, I'm 5/10.
5/10.
Yeah, 5/10 because that's my first game. Yeah, and that intensity was short.
In the Wakasa, you were not so too impressed.
No, I was not too impressed with my performance. They made me submit my yeah, and 90 minutes. I'm not to that expectation, but I know say as time goes on, they will see more.
Were you expecting say that there were times I would jump on and be a free say yes, he's back. Now take the know. I know he inspired at some point, Anna.
Yeah. As a major boy, to be honest, yeah, this is the guy I want. So I just want to. I'm a semi biba number. Yeah, I'm a semi biba number. As time goes on,
we need minutes now.
As time goes on, I'm able. This is my first 90 minutes after 1 year. First 90 minutes. I didn't expect I'm able 90 minutes. Now I didn't expect, but you see, I'm not fitness like a crap. The next game, do it to me, they'll come out approve it something. Yeah.
I see criticisms never bad, and I see, as professionals. Yeah, but send our fan say in himself standard me to see that's one drop it kakra. Send I am fan is it that you can just only keep quiet and prove them wrong on the page and that's it. How do you take this?
Yeah, me say a basia a mommy work hard. Yeah, and pay and probably a time be I will praise you. Tell me my mistakes. Mistakes are made, catch me. Mama, I work hard on it. Next time I'm a banner, I'm be prove you say mistakes now catch me. It's here, my armor. Yeah.
First half, we were totally off the game. Second half, your colleagues came in and then the fighting spirit. Yeah. Were you so happy seeing your friends as a woman said no, we can't disappoint our supporters now? How did you enjoy the game? Because me as a supporter, I really enjoyed second half and now as a push game into a position. One gets on the field.
First half, try say you play, but near Yana and fat. In the game, sometimes it happens. Try say be push it hard, but second half, you call be a dressing room. Your coach is near Kasai. I was very angry. I'm near Kasai. See, as you can say, you are not like him, be Diago, cause not guys, a mobile hard. A mobile hard, and as you say, second half near Bano. Yeah, but boot about the fight here in the game. I'm a supporter, of course. Never a disgrace, say, on money may lose the halfway. Yeah.
As I say, options are slim in terms of the betting Ajako Africa. Last weekend, Ankoyi Africa be free. They say they are canning a league in Mensah Kotoko, the easy games in there. Yeah. As a group, more picture that situation. Say more fat games there, and the dear number expected from supporters.
They are expected from supporters and so Omunina Bebum, no my barco, no my supported team. Omunina and come on, no money barco, no more support here. Yes, we are showing us a leg, your budget at the moment.
It's more how difficult the task is after say, I can only one option and more discussion, but no more.
Oh. Yeah, Kasa say leg in there. We have to fight. I was here fighting. The baby I was here the leg, Young Kasa, he won't say bit me.
It has been a long period. Are there some names be able to say who have acknowledged you through the period that are very supportive from supporters from whoever?
Yes, I said that I could make them young Kasa supporters, yeah. A team be more. I think Sanka right now, Nentiano man, can only make us say right now, my did a cassette or your man in court. My said about commit the mom, yeah. Na Mianga Sano boss, Daniel answer, yeah. Every day or never Cassa, you say, they be a Name mother, yeah, mother so make us na. Yeah, I'm gonna say a former
it is a past and present.
Yeah, on the make us say main focus. Past management for yeah. Now your coach. And also buy our bomb yeah.
Yes, sir. That was say, but we are looking forward to a successful comeback. Maybe I will leave here. Maybe I will be way higher than that. So welcome back. And we can't wait to enjoy more from the Panda. It almost a style, I don't know, so much into what's our more Sana.
Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday, we should go away. Okay, that's it.